2 fucking months. I waited 2 fucking months for this shit. It's time to fucking kill this shit. Yeah. We gotta tear this motherfucker up with one hand because fuck you, I have to hold the camera. I'll start from the top, fuck it. Professional here. I grabbed the blade for safety. Fuck. I should get another guy to do this shit. And there you go. Revealing a fucking shitty office chair. Yeah, fuck you all. I don't have no gaming chair. Gotta cut this side too. Yeah, there you go. Fuck this is, I don't need it anymore. And there you go. We have some shitty blue color fucking office chair. Let's take out the parts, shall we? There. Here we have this I don't know what to call it. Metal part that I don't really know where it goes. Wait a minute. So there's no instruction. I have all these parts here. Fuck. Whatever. We'll improvise. And more parts that I don't really know. More tires. What the fuck is this? Fucking hydraulic shit. More parts. There you go. Everything's out. Fuck off box. I don't need you anymore. Okay. Let's try and find instructions. You're kidding me, there's no instructions. Well, as it turns out, there is no instruction. Fuck. Scissor I need you in. We have the scissor here. Got it. Fuck you, plastic. Fuck you, pollute the fucking world. There we go. I really need a cameraman or some shit. Yeah, we have this. The cushion. Yeah, take a good look. Look at that shit. Yeah. Gonna absorb all my farts. Yeah, good job. Okay, for the next part, I'm using my left hand now because I'm retarded. Yeah. Oh no, they're just. Fuck. Oh thank God! I thought I cut the chair. Okay, sorry. Fuck it, I'll use my right hand. Okay, we have the seat, the back seat. I don't know what to call this. I think it's I don't care. No, what's next? The head, of course. The neck cushion. Yes, let's cut this bitch. Yeah, there you go. I got a neck cushion thing. I'm a genius. I know how to name things. We shall tear this shit apart. There, I done it. It's opened. Fill that fucking low quality garbage. Hell yeah. I think I'm gonna put on the tires first. So let's find them. 1, 2. Fuck you. 3. And 4. And 5. Okay. All 5 of them are here. Let's pour this shit up. And I'm just gonna screw them in. Well, apparently you just plug this shit in like Legos. Look at this. Look at this shit. Okay, we went in. Yeah, it works. Time for another tree. Okay, be right back. We have this thing functioning. Look at this. Woo! I must do some wheelies on this shit. Yeah. What's the next part? I have no instruction here, so it's YOLO time. As you can see, this shit fits. It fits, okay. Now what? Are there no screws there? Wait, let me check. Doesn't seem like it needs screws. And the next part. Oh god. Okay. I'm gonna put this on. Where does this go? Oh, I get it now. I get it, guys. I get it, guys. Yeah, watch this shit. You guys didn't see that, but I apparently make this shit extended. I just pressed this in and yeah, it went up as well. Thank God I'm not sitting on that shit. Ah, fuck, it's dirty. What the fuck? I waited 2 months for this shit and it's dirty. You fucking bitch. Can't even scratch it off. Yeah, I think I can scratch it off. No, I'll scratch it off later. Time for this motherfucker to get on this motherfucker. Well, apparently you can use this motherfucker because I'm retarded. And I finish this motherfucker off by tightening it. Watch this shit. This shit's satisfying, man. Watch this. If I have more than 12 more IQ, I can do this. There you go. You see that? Yeah. Yeah, it's so easy to do with one hand and it's totally working. Yeah, look at that. Fuck it, I don't need to tighten shit. What's next? As you can see, I have no idea what I'm doing. So let's just shove this thing in. If you guys wondering what's holding the camera right now, it's my feet. Yeah, sorry, my feet are not good at holding cameras and holding it still. I do not feel any progress and I will not continue this. Yeah, I did that. Yeah, I went in, so time for the next screw. Yeah, okay, as you guys can see, it fits quite well. So I'm gonna do the second one. So yeah guys, we're done. So I'm gonna flip this shit over. Okay, I can't do this. Okay, there you go. Here's my legs. There you go, it works. Look at that. I'm gonna sit on this shit. Next part is this thing. And it goes in here. I'm just gonna connect it now. Okay, I'm putting in the last screw and it should be done. Okay, focus, there you go. Use my leg, yeah. My IQs are dropping from this shit, I swear. There you go. Nice and tight, just like the put. There you go, it's nice and tight. There. Yeah, the screw went in good. This chair looks good right now. I'm just gonna put in the top, which is this thing. Yeah, okay, it should be easy. I'm gonna stand up for this one. Okay, so you have to put it, yeah, I got this. Okay guys, it's done. Look at this. Yeah, it spins and everything. Look at it. Yeah, it spins. Yeah, that's about it. And also this thing, this part, you know, you can. And also this. Look at this thing. Look at just look at it. Why is that there? Why? I ordered this like 2 months ago and give me stains. Fuck you. Yeah, I can finally replace this fucking kitchen chair. Yes. Do you even know how much noise this shit make when I pull this? Watch it. Yeah, that shit sound like a fucking war zone. Okay, I'm gonna replace this shit. Thank you guys for watching. So subscribe if you like this. See you guys next time.